Hey sugar, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Rox of RoxStarBakes and my passion is helping people make sweet treats. This week, I'm bringing you the only yellow cake recipe that you will need for mini cupcakes, cake rounds, and sheet cakes. It is light but sturdy enough for decorating those sky-high cakes. Let's get into it. Take a screenshot and find the links to the ingredients that I use in the description box below. Make sure everything is at room temperature, line your sheets, your rounds, and your cupcakes. As you're getting your ingredients ready, if you really want that nostalgic box cake taste, a tip is to use clear vanilla extract. Truly tastes like that nostalgic box cake mix, but elevated. I learned this from recreating Christina Tossi's classic birthday cake recipe. I use a 50-50 cake to all-purpose flour mixture for this recipe because I want a slightly less gluten structure to get a light, airy crumb. Cake flour has 7 to 8% protein and all-purpose flour has 11 to 12% protein, so I get a nice compromise of lightness and structure. Sift all of the dry ingredients together and set them aside. Flours, baking powder, baking soda, salt. This is how we'll work out all the clumps and lighten the mixture. Combine your butter and sugar. It almost doubles in size and lightens a lot. Scrape down the sides. Cream the butter and sugar for about 5 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time until just incorporated on low speed. With your last egg, add your vanilla. Grabbing the dry and wet ingredients, add a third of the flour mixture to the batter and mix to incorporate. Add half of the milk mixture and mix to combine. Repeat, adding alternate additions of flour and milk until just incorporated. If it starts to curdle, everything might not be at room temperature. Did you know that the yellow cake originated from the pound cake? And the pound cake originated from England. And here's when I like to preheat the oven. Time to distribute to our formats. And I don't butter the pans because I like for the batter to crawl up the sides. For the rounds, I spread the batter amongst 4 5-inch pans. This is really just a preference. For the sheet cake, make sure to spread the batter to all of the edges, especially the corners of the pans. For the sheets in the round cakes, I bang at least 3 times to make sure that the batter is filling the edges. Scoop, scoop, scoop. I really like scoopers because they're very consistent. I'll make sure to link the ones I use in the description below. Scooper size preference is different per recipe. Place in the center of the oven and bake. Use a toothpick to see if the baking is complete. There should be about 5 crumbs on it. It continues to cook when out of the oven. When you take it out, let cool completely for about 30 minutes and then invert them onto a cooling rack to finish cooking. That's right, finish cooking. The sheet cake does not need to be inverted. Here's a tip. If you're anything like me, I sometimes forget to take the butter out of the fridge beforehand. But here's a butter hack. Take a large glass bowl or a pint glass and fill it with hot water. Let it sit for a few minutes, pour out the water, and then cover the butter with that glass. Do this for 15 to 30 seconds and it'll slowly get your butter to room temperature.
If this video was helpful at all, like, share, subscribe, it definitely helps. And in the comments below, let me know what projects you want me to help you with. In the meantime, tag me so I could see what you're up to. I hope you have a stellar week, and I will see you soon. Bye.